Hi everyone, my name's Katie. So one of our fellow community members asked for a short tutorial on how to do bound hands behind the back pose, which is Paschima Baddha Hastasana. So we're gonna do that here really quick. But before we do that, I really want to maybe get a little movement going actually in our shoulder joints, okay? Because it's really important before we take them all the way back that we move them a little and wake them up, okay? So if you want to practice with me, just go ahead and just shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, you can drop them down, shake things out. Do that a couple times, okay? Even shake your head to the side if that feels good. And then let's just take your right hand out like you're going to shake someone's hand, cross it in front of you, and then we're going to take our left hand, scoop it under, grab onto your right forearm, and just hug that in, okay? You can even look over your opposite shoulder if you want. You can tuck your chin down, pull it in a little bit closer to you. And then we'll do the other side. So shake someone's hand, cross it over. We'll do a little hook, okay? Pull it in. Same thing, you can look opposite, tuck your chin. And then switch. And then let's take our right hand, reach it straight up, and then tap ourselves on the back, okay? Tap yourselves on the back. And then just grab onto your elbow with your left hand and kind of press down here a little, reaching up. And then let's switch. So left hand's gonna go straight up, then you're gonna tap yourself on your back, grab onto your left elbow, press it down a little bit. Reach. You can even go a little side, whatever feels good, okay? We're nothing serious today. We're just opening up here. All right, you can unwind that and then just kind of do some arm swings, okay? Just kind of let your arms swing freely as you turn. Just turn kind of at your heart center, your thoracic area. We don't want to dig too much into our lumbar part, okay? Nice swing. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift up. So imagine you put your thumbs like in your armpits, do a little lift, okay? Get that lift. And then we're gonna bring our shoulder blades back. So like you're bringing your shoulder blades close to each other, okay? So we're gonna do our lift and bring back. And before we bind anything, the Baddha part of this pose, we're gonna walk our arms down our back, okay? And then you can reach for the inside of your elbows, okay? Opposite arms. Okay, so your right hand's gonna go to your left elbow, your left elbow's gonna go to your left hand's gonna go to your right elbow, okay? So this is one option. And here, really remember, we're gonna lift up through the heart center, okay? So make some space between your shoulders and your ears, a little lift. There's also the option if you want to do prayer pose behind your back. You can do that. That gets a little bit more into the wrists. So if your wrists are sensitive, maybe just go for the forearm grab, okay? And you can do that for 5 or 10 breaths just to really open up, okay? All right. I hope your shoulders feel a little bit better. And if you have any other questions, just send me a comment and I'll try to answer as quickly as I can. Okay, see you. Bye.